Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by pairing quickly. Make sure AirPods are charged and Android Bluetooth and location are on. Open the case, press and hold the setup button until the front LED flashes white. On Android, go to Bluetooth settings and tap the AirPods entry to pair. Once paired, keep the case open and confirm audio routes to the AirPods. This gives you a live connection, so you can enable active noise cancellation using the controls or a companion app in the next step. Now enable ANC. If your AirPods press and hold action was previously set to noise control, press and hold a stem to cycle through active noise cancellation and transparency. If it isn't set, install a lightweight companion app that exposes ANC toggle and battery info. Open the app and grant Bluetooth permissions. Make sure Android remains connected and media audio is routed to the AirPods. Once done, test with background noise and adjust the stem action or app shortcut for quick toggling. Finish by testing ANC. Play music and listen to how much external noise drops. If you don't hear a difference, make sure the app has Bluetooth and background permissions and that media volume is up. If ANC still fails, repair the AirPods. Forget device in Bluetooth settings and pair again. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair and reconfigure the stem actions or app settings and try ANC again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.